Yeah, buddy. Ooh.
Horrible, huh?
Hmm?
It's gone.
Yeah, see that?
Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone. It's
Metal,
gone kaput.
Yeah, metal.
Yeah, it's gone. Metal scratch metal, that's it.
Yeah.
So now you actually remove the other
Yeah, it's two bolts behind here.
the other bolt, correct?
Yeah, this is the brake bracket.
Yeah.
The caliper bracket. It's two bolts behind there, and I believe it's a 16. 17. Yep.
17
socket.
17 millimeter?
Yeah.
17 sockets. So what do you remove now? You remove the bolt?
Yeah, it's two bolts for your brake caliper.
Okay, so you remove two of them. Okay, two. Oh, one of them, that's in the top now. So that's it, just to remove the two bolts?
Yeah.
Very easy, huh?
Yeah, pretty simple.
This car is my wife's car, so
Yeah.
she took my car because she's afraid to drive with it.
Yeah, it was grinding.
Oh yeah, it's horrible.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's to remove the caliper, the handle, okay, and now this one.
See, that's what she was hearing.
Oh my goodness me.
Yeah.
Well, somebody have to take it. You can take it with you or what?
Huh?
Can you take it with you or to leave it with you?
Oh, no, these is done. Yeah, they gotta be thrown away.
Okay.
So now,
That's the new part, correct?
huh?
That's the new part.
Yeah, these new brakes.
I purchased it in one auto. Yeah, that's it. Look okay?
Yeah, I'll just.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah, it look good. Look good.
See if it's match. Match?
Yeah. It's a brake cleaner because they normally have a grease.
Yeah,
filter
round.
with a,
Oh, okay, good.
for
To
prevent
protect
against
it,
rust.
to protect it, yeah.
Yeah.
You want to remove the grease. Yep. Now you're going to put the bolt?
Yeah, the bolt just to.
Just to put it temporarily, correct?
Yeah.
Let it won't go.
To support the rotor.
The rotor, correct.
You just clean it off pretty good. Now you got to grease a caliper pin. Caliper pins, because this is what makes the caliper go back and forth.
Oh,
And if you
okay.
don't grease it good enough, that's
It
how
won't.
you can end up wearing the inside of your pad a lot quicker than normal.
Okay, so you actually not have to put the grease on it, correct?
Yeah, grease. And so a lot of times what I do, I just get some brake cleaner.
Yeah.
I spread off a good little bit. Just to clean it, get all the
Correct.
old grease off.
Okay. And
And then typically grease come with the parts, but you know, get some brake grease to lube it. And you got two caliper pins. And just spread
what
it.
is that? That's kind of a...
Huh?
What is it? It's kind of a grease?
Yeah, this brake grease. But
Oh, okay.
But you can use wheel bearing grease, any anti-seize grease.
Okay, very good.
And you put that right there. See how easy it pops back.
Yeah, that's
And
the
that's the
okay.
action of the caliper.
Yes.
So
that you put it here between. Okay,
Yeah.
that one is the second one is going to be the
top
second one. Yes.
Exactly. So
Same thing. You're going to do to the second one.
Exactly. You also want to clean out your, your brake dust from your caliper, your brake wear.
Yeah.
Pretty good. So just give it a nice clean surface.
Yep. Wow, it's a lot of dust. Okay. Part of life, huh?
Yeah.
So you put a 2 pin or just only 1 pin you put? Now you're going to put it.
No, because we still have to track the caliper back in. So I'll grease that next.
So you put the bolt down, correct?
Yeah.
So we just put the bolt on the top and then bottom also the 2 bolts. Okay, that's the end of the caliper, correct?
Well, that's the end of the caliper bracket.
Okay.
Yeah, we still have to push in the caliper.
Yes, inside, correct. The caliper, correct.
Yeah, we gotta push that in and grease this pin.
Oh, okay, that's the other pin, correct,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah, exactly. But what I do, I just always set this stuff first so it can always be locked down.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
So now,
What are you looking for?
well, I'm looking at the rotor is very close to the brake.
Yeah, to see.
The brake. That's why I'm going to.
Okay, good. Now, huh?
Well, I see the rotors is touching. Okay. Yeah, I was saying the rotor was touching the actual caliper bracket.
Ah,
and
okay.
That's not good. A lot of times when that happens, you normally have the wrong size rotor. So that's why I was double checking.
But it's the same size, correct?
Yeah, it's the same size. Once you tighten down, like
Going to
as
look
if the
perfect,
wheel was
yeah.
on it, nothing's touching anything.
Correct. So now you're actually putting the shoes.
Yep, new shoes on. So now, we're
That's
all
it.
good there.
That's it.
Now, you get an old brake pad,
Yeah.
and you can always use. Hold on.
You have to give it a little push, no?
Yeah.
Inside, yeah. That's because it's already
You always use the
it's
C-clamp.
narrow. Yeah, I know. You have to get it now. Correct. That's another thing.
You
Yeah.
can use a C-clamp.
C-clamp, okay, and then you just push it.
Yep.
It's not simple. You need to know a lot of things to do.
Once you get your C-clamp, you just push it in.
Now you actually just close it back to his original position.
Exactly. So it can
Yeah.
fit.
It can fit
the
new
rotor.
one, correct? The new rotor, because this rotor is the
Yeah.
thickness of this rotor is quite
Yeah, it's
different than the other one, because the other one was scratched so much. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the stretch here. That's it?
What?
I
That's
hope
it.
so. Yeah.
Yeah. Now you know, do the same as we did the other one.
That is the one that you use, a brake cleaner. This is the brake cleaner you can see here. So you cleaned with a rag now, the other pin I've seen. Okay, that is the other pin. The other pin was the second one you already
Yeah.
cleaned, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's the top pin,
This
correct.
top pin, exactly.
Correct, so that's it.
And you want to lube them pretty good.
Yeah, sure, definitely, because then it won't move
Yeah.
back and forward. That's very important.
Yeah, exactly. I'll just slide it back in. Push that.
Yeah, now you just put the bolt.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need to close this with special torque or just like a strong?
Well, no, not typically. You don't have to. Just have to make sure it's good and tight.
Tight, huh?
You don't want to put too much pressure because you can.
No, I don't want to
break
put
your,
it. Correct. I don't want to
bolt.
put it. Okay.
But typically, that's it.
That's it. Finito?
Yep.
Okay, very good. So easy, huh?
Yeah.
A professional can do it better than everyone. That's the other one, huh? That's too strong
Yeah,
anyway.
I just like to double check myself.
Yeah. You just double check it now.
That's good.
Now you just have to, you're going to put the
Put the tire.
tires and that's it. That's it, done. Just take it down.
Yeah, that's it.
And you remove that. Thing done.
I got to put the tire. And that's it. Put the cover back on.
So you close it with 80-pound bolt, correct? 80-pound
80
bolt.
pounds of torque.
Okay, very good with this torque. Okay, good.